And our correspondent Anuj now joins me on the phone line. Anuj, what we're seeing on our screens has been rare in the last few years. Yes, the cousins have come together in the recent past on festival days. But what we're seeing now is a recalibration in Maharashtra in terms of political alliance to counter the BJP in the state.
This imagery that we see on our screens right now is perhaps an extremely historic one from the context of Maharashtra politics. We've seen that for good or for bad reasons, the politics of Maharashtra has revolved around the Thackeray family ever since the start of the century, even if it might or it may not have reflected or translated into electoral success, but the narrative has always been around the Thackeray's. And this moment means that the two Thackeray brothers, who had given all the hints of them coming together earlier this year, and as I said earlier, they met each other, they went to each other's houses after a long hiatus. But now today is the official homecoming of sorts for Raj Thackeray, who will be striking an alliance with Uddhav Thackeray, his elder cousin's party, in fact his own former party, as Raj Thackeray on 27th of November 2006 had walked out of Shiv Sena, and one of the reasons for that was the very core members of the core leaders of Shiv Sena, many of whom he will be sharing the stage with today. So it has a lot of context to it, it has a lot of history to it. But all of this is also seen as political opportunism by many, given the fact the BMC election is going to be nothing less than a fight for relevance for both of these cousins and for both of these parties.
Anuj, I need you to translate all that's happening on stage, starting with Sanjay Raut, who's introducing the Thackeray brothers on stage.
Sure.
बघा एवढं आमचं एकमत झालेलं आहे. सर्वांचं स्वागत करतोय. आणि आता संजय राऊत यांनी संयुक्त महाराष्ट्राच्या लढ्याची आठवण करून दिली.
Sanjay Raut reminded us of the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement.
सत्यनारायणाच्या पूजेसारखं आणलं गेलं नाही, त्याच्या मागे खूप मोठा संघर्ष झालेला आहे. 105, 107
We have fought for the state of Maharashtra.
मराठी माणसांनी बलिदान देऊन मुंबई महाराष्ट्र
107 Marathi people have martyred their life.
आणि त्याची आठवण आज होणं स्वाभाविक आहे.
To make sure that Mumbai stays with Maharashtra.
इथे बसलेलो आहोत ठाकरे बंधू.
And it is understandable why we are getting reminded of that moment.
आमच्या दोघांचे आजोबा प्रबोधनकार हे संयुक्त महाराष्ट्राच्या लढ्यामध्ये पहिल्या 5 सेनापतींमधले एक सेनापती.
Our grandfather Prabodhankar Thackeray was at the forefront of the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement.
म्हणजे शिवसेना प्रमुख हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाळासाहेब ठाकरे, राजचे वडील म्हणजे माझे काका श्रीकांतजी ठाकरे, म्हणजे अख्खं ठाकरे घराणं त्यावेळेला मुंबई
founder Balasaheb Thackeray, Raj's father, and the entire Thackeray family was together to fight for the state of Maharashtra and to keep Mumbai with Maharashtra.
मिळवल्यानंतर मुंबईमध्येच मराठी माणसाच्या उरावरती उपरे नाचायला लागले आणि त्यावेळेला न्याय हक्कासाठी शिवसेना प्रमुखांना शिवसेनेला जन्म द्यावा लागला.
When it was taken for granted that Mumbai is not exclusively of the Marathi people, and when people started to show their hooliganism, that is when Bal Thackeray had to enter the field of politics.
परत आपण पाहतो आहोत की मुंबईचे लचके, मुंबईच्या चिंधड्या उडवायच्या हे मनसुबे त्यावेळेला ज्यांना मुंबई पाहिजे होती त्यांचेच प्रतिनिधी जे वरती दोघ जण वरती म्हणजे इकडे नाही दिल्लीत बसलेले आहेत त्यांचे मनसुबे आहेत.
Those who wanted Mumbai back in the 1960s, they have their two representatives sitting in Delhi who are again trying to make sure that Mumbai stays with them come what may.
त्याचा मोठा अपमान होईल. आज आम्ही आमचं कर्तव्य म्हणून एकत्र आलेलो आहोत आणि मी मागेच म्हटलं
Today we've come together as our responsibility.
यापुढे मुंबईवरती आणि महाराष्ट्रावरती कोणी वाकड्या नजरेने किंवा त्यांच्या कपटी कारस्थानाने महाराष्ट्राला मुंबईपासून किंवा मुंबईला महाराष्ट्रापासून मराठी माणसापासून तोडण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल त्याचा राजकारणात खात्मा केल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. शपथ.
If there are any attempts to desert Mumbai from Maharashtra or Marathi Manus from Mumbai, then we'll make sure that the political career ends right there and then.
पण आहे की आज केवळ महाराष्ट्रच नाही तर अख्खा देश बघतोय. मी सर्वांना विनंती करतोय, आवाहन करतोय आणि एक सूचना सुद्धा करतोय, कारण मागे विधानसभेच्या वेळेला भारतीय जनता पक्षाने जो एक अपप्रचार केला होता, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, तसंच मी मराठी माणसाला सांगतोय की आता जर का चुकाल तर संपाल. आता जर का
The BJP try to propagate that if you get divided, you will be finished. Similarly, I would want to tell you all that if you bow down now, then you will end yourself and your community forever.
हाच एक संदेश मी आमच्या आज दोघांच्या युतीच्या निमित्ताने संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्राला देतो आहे आणि मला खात्री आहे की
This is the one message I want to give on this occasion.
वाटेला जात नाही, पण त्याच्या वाटेला जर का कोणी आलाच तर त्याला परत जाऊ देत नाही. मी सगळ्यांना परत
Everyone knows that we don't unnecessarily poke our nose into someone else's business, but if someone else does it to us, then we make sure that they are not sent back.
आपण सर्वांचं मी मनपूर्वक स्वागत करतो.
I welcome all of you.
जे काय बाकी बोलायचंय ते सगळं जाहीर सभा जेव्हा सुरू होतील त्यावेळेला बोलूच आम्ही.
Whatever we have to speak at length, we'll speak during the rallies.
माझी एक मुलाखत झाली होती आणि मी मुद्दामून आठवण करून देतो त्या गोष्टींची. आणि त्या मुलाखतीमध्ये मी असं म्हटलं होतं की कुठल्याही वादापेक्षा आणि भांडणापेक्षा महाराष्ट्र मोठा आहे.
I recently had an interview where I said that Maharashtra is bigger than
मला
any
असं वाटतं
fights or
तिथून त्या
conflicts.
आज आम्ही एकत्र येण्याची सुरुवात त्या वाक्यापासून झाली.
That started or that sowed the seeds for us to come together.
कोण किती जागा लढवणार, आकडा काय हा नाही सांगणार तुम्हाला.
Who will fight how many seats? What is the number? I'm not going to tell you that.
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सध्या लहान मुलं पळवण्याची खूप टोळ्या फिरतायत. त्याच्यामध्ये 2 टोळ्या अजून जास्ती ऍड झालेल्या आहेत. ते राजकीय पक्षांमधली मुलं पळवतात.
Currently, there are many groups in Maharashtra that are
जे
kidnapping kids,
निवडणुका लढवणार आहेत
but there are more such
त्या
groups in
लढवणाऱ्या
politics
सर्व
who
उमेदवारांना
kidnap the politician.
दोन्ही पक्षांकडनं उमेदवारी दिली जाईल. ती कधी भरायची, केव्हा भरायची ते आपल्याला कळवलं जाईल. आज फक्त आपल्या समोर एकच गोष्ट मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो की बरेच
I only want to tell you one thing today.
महाराष्ट्र करत होता ती शिवसेना आणि महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेची युती झाली हे आज आम्ही आपल्याला जाहीर करत
I
आहोत.
officially declare that Shiv Sena and MNS are alliance partners.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
आकड्याचा खेळ संपला ते बरं झालं.
नाही, आकड्यांचा खेळ आता सांगायचं नाही. अजून बाकीच्या महापालिकांमध्ये सुद्धा कालपर्यंत युती झालेली, जशी नाशिकमध्ये झालेली आहे, बाकीच्या ज्या महापालिका आहेत त्यांची
Come
सुद्धा
together in Nashik, other than Mumbai.
युती आज उद्या शिक्कामोर्तब होईल.
For the rest of the places, we'll finalize our alliance in a day or two.
लोक कोण
ते स्वतः हरले बोकर स्वतःचा पराभव.
त्यांच्यावरती प्रतिक्रिया देण्याच्या तरी पातळीचे राहिलेत का ते? त्यांना त्यांच्या पक्षात सुद्धा कोण विचारत नाही. जाऊ.
मला असं वाटतं की उत्तरं देवांना द्यावीत, दानवांना नाहीत. मुंबईचा महापौर मराठीच होणार आणि तो आमचाच होणार.
Mumbai's mayor will be a Marathi person and it will be from our alliance.
मला असं वाटतं की एक मुख्यमंत्र्यांचा व्हिडिओ पण फिरतोय ज्याच्यामध्ये ते अल्ला हाफिज असं म्हणलेत, बरोबर ना? तर या
A
गोष्टी
video
त्यांनी
call of
सांगू
the
नये.
chief minister is
माझ्याकडे
making
खूप
rounds where he
videos
says
आहेत.
Allah Hafiz. I have many such videos.
काय ते काय बोलतात त्याच्यावरती माझे व्हिडिओ तयार असतील. काय म्हणायचं त्याच्यावर? सगळ्यावर कसं बोलायचं रे? मला असं वाटतं आज मुंबईचं मी तुमच्यासमोर आम्ही जाहीर करत आहोत आणि बाकीच्या जशा अशा होतील तशा तुम्हाला कळवलं जातील.
We have announced the alliance between Shiv Sena and Manse in Mumbai. The rest will be announced with
कोण
time.
येऊ तर देत पहिलं. हे जरतर वरतीच खूप असतं सगळं.
भाजपला काय हवंय ते भाजपने पाहावं, मराठी माणसाला काय पाहिजे ते आम्ही पाहतो.
BJP should take care of what they want. We will take care of what the Marathi people want.
चर्चा सुरू आहे. बघू त्यांच्यात. आम्ही आज आमची युती जाहीर केलेली आहे, शिवसेना आणि महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेना.
We are still
जे
discussing with the
महाराष्ट्र
party.
प्रेमी आहेत त्याच्यात काही भाजपातले सुद्धा अस्सल मराठी आहेत, ते सुद्धा येऊ शकतात. ही महाराष्ट्र
There are many-
रक्षणासाठी महाराष्ट्र प्रेमींची युती आहे.
There are many
काही जण
real Maharashtrians in the BJP. Even they are welcome to join our alliance.
सहन होत नाहीये ते सुद्धा येऊ शकतात.
Those who cannot bear it anymore in the BJP Shiv Sena Shinde alliance can come here.
हो, मग आता म्हणजे आणखीन काय बोलायचं? तोडलं का? बघा, मला बाकी कोण काय म्हणते त्याच्याशी काही कर्तव्य नाही. मी परत एकदा सांगितलं, महाराष्ट्राला आणि मराठी माणसाला काय पाहिजे ते आम्ही दोघं बघतो.
I have nothing to do with what others say. All I want to say is that we will make sure that Marathi people get what they want.
सगळे पक्ष बाहेर पडून आघाडी आबाधित आहे. त्यावेळेला आम्ही हा निर्णय जाहीर केला होता आणि नंतर काय झालं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. म्हणून आज आम्ही तो निर्णय जाहीर करत नाही आहोत. आता आमचं दोघांचंच घर आहे ना, दार बंद कशाला करायचं? ठीक आहे, चला. मला असं वाटतं बाकीच्या प्रश्न आता काही तसं काही नाहीये. निवडणुकीपूर्वी अरे झालेलं आहे ना जागा वाटप.
माझी
The seat sharing is done.
त्यांना फक्त एकच छोटी विनंती आहे.
I
ज्यांचं
have one request.
मुंबईवरती, महाराष्ट्रावरती, मराठी माणसावरती प्रेम आहे, अशा सर्व माझ्या पत्रकार बांधवांना, भगिनींना माझी विनंती आहे की आमच्या पाठीमागे उभे राहा. धन्यवाद.
I request all the journalists to stand behind the party.
All right, there you see the formal announcement by Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, who are now standing at the podium there. Moments for photo ops that will, of course, also talk to the alliance, the new alliance being forged in the state of Maharashtra. You've had Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray talk about how the alliance has been formally announced in Mumbai, and they will shortly also be announcing their alliances in different parts of Maharashtra. Saurav joining me live at this moment. Saurav, just take us through what the Thackeray brothers have just said. There have been obviously jibes that have been taken, a formal announcement, and also a reference to Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's comment, "Baatenge to katenge." Saurav, can you hear me?
At this point, what we see is, a sort of, the images of that political reunion specifically for the BMC poll. Several key announcements, being that those who within the BJP also are unhappy can come to us. also those who are here saying that, targeting the BJPs largely, making it clear that, the Congress has made an announcement and that announcement is done. So obviously, it's quite clear that the Congress is not going to be part of this alliance, and that could lead to some, issues with the arithmetic of, the Mumbai elections. But at this point, what you're seeing on stage is the family members of these, party members, of the party leaders, including Uddhav Thackeray, Raj Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, Amit Thackeray, Rashmi Thackeray, and of course Shamila Thackeray. All of them on stage along with Sanjay Raut. The alliance for Mumbai is done. Raj Thackeray, of course, saying as time progresses, as the other states progress, there would be, of course, alliances in other states as well. And that is something that we are going to see in the near future as well. But obviously, that we will see happen in the days to come as far as the other places are concerned. And this, of course, is an election. These two men on stage, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, it's a question of legacy. It's a question of the man you can see in the picture behind them, Balasaheb Thackeray, and of course these two men and their political future and their political path. And that is, of course, something that we are going to see in terms of the announcements. Yes, key announcements being made, but at this point, the main one is, of course, that the alliance for Mumbai is done. For the other places, it's a work in progress. And of course, when asked about seats, all we got was a cryptic, it's done. So when they say it's done, one presumes that, some of the key seats on which there might have been some kind of a, tussle over who gets which seat, that will, of course, be something that they are still discussing. But at this point, what see is that Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray leaving after the press conference, and they've announced this alliance for Mumbai, and of course the alliance for other cities including Nashik and other municipal corporations where they are planning to fight together. Remember, 29 municipal corporations are going to vote, I beg your pardon, municipal corporations are going to vote, and these are all urban local bodies, and therefore these elections are going to be very, very important. They're not just Meera Bhayandar, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, Kalyan
Metropolitan region. So
Yes.
all these
Mumbai Metropolitan Region. So all these corporations are going to vote. But the key takeaways, I think, from that press conference was that, from the Thackerays at least, was that we are together to say seating is done. Congress is out. That's confirmed. Everyone is welcome to join, especially when asked about those who've left the Senas and gone to other parties. They're welcome to join. But Raj Thackeray, of course, also making that, comment in jest, and he's known also for his sense of humor. Then saying, let them start coming back first, and then we can take a call on that. So that's what's happening at this point. Dhol Tasha, the Maharashtrian Dhol Tasha, playing as Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray leave the venue after announcing that alliance for the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. The redrawing of, the cards, the realignment of the Thackerays, the mega reunion of the Thackerays, getting an official statement and a stamp of sanction from the two Thackeray cousins who have been at loggerheads for a long time, now coming together. Many say the political realities necessitate this reunion. But again, having said that, this is a political moment that Maharashtra is